I am here with Stanley, and I just want to give you a quick update on the duck brooder.
You're watching Patrick Parsons Workshop.
I delivered it today. We took it over, and I'm going to show you a few videos here of what it was like there on the farm that we delivered it to.
These are American chinchillas. It's a heritage breed.
They got the real soft coats.
Yes.
Little princess.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, them look good hopping around the house with.
Wow.
The smaller ones are wild charloquins. The next bigger ones are anconas.
So it looks like it's going to work. Everything's a success. So just wanted to give you this quick little update. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.
I do so.
Sorry, guys.